Yo, what's going on, man? King Rich is here, back again, yeah? I want to talk about something that's very important, yeah? The importance of staying in shape, yeah? A lot of guys, they just look like look like jokes, really, innit? And my thing is, you know, power, and one of the staples of power is physical power. A lot of guys complain about they can't get girls, or maybe they're not confident in themselves and stuff like that, but the thing I noticed from my own life is that before I got into fitness, I was like kind of like unconfident, you know, I kind of didn't really have a high self-esteem. You know what I'm saying? And when you do finally like start getting fit, getting in shape, that rises like naturally, like you don't even need to think about it. You start to feel better about yourself. And another thing is, when you're more in shape, people tend to treat you differently. They know from looking at me, there's a lot of things that they can tell. I'm somebody who's got perseverance. I'm somebody that's hardworking. I'm somebody who is consistent.
Determined.
And determined, like, do you know what I mean? And is willing to sacrifice to get results.
Yeah.
Also, it will make you live longer. You have a better quality of life. It's your diet as well.
True.
Because a lot of guys, they're eating crap. The diet is so important because like it's the majority of your fitness. Like me right now, I'm on a diet where I'm not eating meat at all. Yeah, and my carbs is really reduced, and I'm eating like, well, not eating, I'm drinking vegetable and fruit smoothies a lot, and I'm really basically very organic. And I've noticed, even though I was fit before, I'm way fitter now. Cardio is a lot easier. Pushing weights is easier. Do you know what I mean? This is what I'm saying, like your quality of life just gets better.
It's different. You walk in, you feel good about yourself, because that's for me. I don't care too much about what people think. You know what I'm saying? It's what I feel about myself. And your clothes start to fit better. Anything you put on looks good on you. That's the #1 thing about when you get fit and when you start to look good. Every single thing you put on automatically looks good on you.
You just look better, you feel better,
yeah.
And people tend to respect you more. It's a simple thing. Maybe that's right or wrong, but it's just, that's the way it is. Do you know what I mean? So I feel like if you're a guy that's out of shape and unfit, you have to do something about it. You can't complain.
Definitely.
You can't complain and expect everyone just to like how you look when you know you don't like how you look.
Exactly.
That's the truth of it.
That's the truth.
Yeah.
That's the thing. It's just, and you have to like do too much to overcompensate. You know, when you're out of shape, that's why you see all the out of shape people have to wear like designers and wear like all this.
I think another thing for guys especially, you need to realize, as you get older, it gets harder to lose weight.
Definitely. And
so it's in your best interest, especially if you're in the like 25 range, bruv.
Like the motivation for you to do it goes down. So
yeah, like at work and life.
Yep. Children,
bruv, it's better to get in the like mode and routine of like working out and being healthy, bruv. Eating healthy, because if you try and do it like when you're 45 or something, it's gonna be hard, bruv.
So what is your advice for someone who is never, like, you know, last time they went crazy hard on cardio is like a year ago? What's your advice?
I would say, obviously it depends on their body type, depends on a lot of things, but I would say start off slow. Like, don't try and do stuff that you're not ready for. You need to know your body, know what you're capable of doing. Like, if you got injuries, you have to compensate for that. But like the first thing is, I just think, just get out there. The first step is taking that step, bro. Like, because a lot of people just fail because they fail to start. Do you know what I mean? Even if it's a thing of you just walk around the park. Do you know what I mean? Or just a light jog around the park. Or, you know, you go on the bike in the gym or the treadmill, walking uphill and stuff like that. You start off small and gradually you build up your resistance and you get fitter, and you will notice every day you get a little bit better. But I would say of paramount importance is what you eat, because the thing is, a lot of people lose weight, a lot of weight drastically just from their diet. If you know you're somebody that goes McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, Chick-fil-A, Waffle House all the time, eating that kind of stuff, and you're drinking soda all the time, you don't even drink water.
Soda,
you know what I mean?
Terrible,
like,
man.
Bro,
Sugar,
the #1 thing, you need to be drinking like around 3 liters of water a day.
Every day,
Every single day. You need to get your 5 a day of fruit and veg every day. That's why I do the smoothies, because it's easy to do that. Like,
get everything in one. You want to start slow, you get what I'm saying? You don't want to go, you don't want to kill yourself out there. But okay, so what are the things that you want to cut out? Like diet-wise, what's the things you want to cut out?
Good question, Toby. Good question.
Shut up, man.
First thing you want to cut out. Listen, do you know what makes people get overweight? It's not calories. It's sugar. You need to reduce your sugar intake. Bruv, right now, the only sugar I get is natural sugar from fruit.
Yeah.
I don't eat sweets. I don't drink fizzy drinks. I don't even drink juice.
Juice is a sneaky one,
It's
bro.
a sneaky one, yeah.
You think, it's all, it's fruit, but it's
100%
different type of...
apple juice, 100% orange juice. No, bruv. Read the label, bruv. Read the label. There's a lot of things in there. Preservatives, additives, flavorings, colors, numbers, all of them kind of things. And all of them things are poison, bruv. Any food that you eat or you buy from the shop, yeah, and it's got anything on the back that you can't pronounce, you shouldn't eat it, bruv.
And run away from it,
Yeah,
bro.
bruv, if you're looking at ingredients and it says, yeah, some methamphetamine, bruv, don't eat it, bruv, don't consume it, it's poison, bruv. Eat organic things. And even if you are trying to gain weight as well, even if you're trying to gain muscle and get bigger, eat clean.
Yeah.
You know, don't do that dirty
bulk.
I've done
Nah,
it before.
it's not, nah.
Toby's done it before, I've done it before. Bruv, yeah, you will get big.
The finish, yeah, the thing about sneaky about dirty bulk is you're lying to yourself.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's like, I want to get, you just want to eat trash.
Yeah,
That's
you just want to eat trash.
That's
That's
what it is.
Dirty bulk, it will get you big, but think about it. Then you won't have abs, bruv. And then you're just going to be puffy. I remember when I used to do that, drinking the Lucozade, the big liter Lucozade. Do you know how much grams of sugar is in that, bruv? 11 grams of sugar in one Lucozade, bruv. And I used to drink that. Come on, bruv. Like, bruv, listen, just do it clean. If you're going to try and be in a calorie surplus, eat more good food.
Good food, yeah.
Eat more good food.
Yeah.
Don't just start loading up on sugar, because you're going to regret it, and then you're going to end up having to do all the cardio in the end anyway,
Yeah.
and then you're going to look small anyway.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So it's better just to do things naturally, like,
Yeah.
do you know what I mean? But yeah, man, as I said, look, end of the day, yeah, your fitness and your health is wealth. It's true wealth. Like, nobody's trying to die anytime soon, yeah? So make it of paramount importance, yeah, that you stay fit, you stay in shape, you eat right, and you'll be a happier person, and people will, treat you with more respect. It's as simple as that, fam.
You just feel good about yourself. You wake up, you feel good. You put on your normal clothes that you never felt good, and you just feel good wearing them. Like Richard said, people will end up treating you the same way you feel about yourself, and it's just important, man. It's very important.
And you will get more girls, bruv.
And you last longer, bro.
Trust me, you'll get more girls and you will enjoy your time with girls more. Trust me, bruv. Let me tell them the foods though. Listen. If you have
Pomegranate,
if you have a problem with your libido, yeah? Pomegranate, yeah? Oysters.
Yeah, I heard about that one still, yeah.
And watermelon, bruv. Pomegranate, oysters, and watermelon, yeah?
And cardio.
And cardio. And not just
hits three times a week.
Hit.
3 times a week.
HIIT, yeah?
3 times a week.
High
3
intensity.
months. Guys, do it 3 months. Come back to me and tell me it didn't work.
Bruv, you do hit training for 3 months, she'll be tapping out, bruv. You won't be tapping out, she'll be tapping out, bruv. Trust me, fam.
3 times a week, that's all. You don't even need to do too much. 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Just plan your week according. 3 times a week, hit training, 30 minutes, 40 minutes.
No, not even that. Maximum 20 minutes, bruv. But when you do them trainings, you have to do it intense, like everything you've got, put it into it, bruv. 3 months, you'll be a different person, bruv.
Promise you.
Different. But anyway, man, it's Toby, it's King Riches, yeah. Appreciate all of you watching. I hope I've helped somebody, or we've helped some people out there, because a lot of you guys need it. Stop crying and complaining if you know you don't look like much. Yeah? Because you got to think, if you was a girl, would you pick you? You know what I'm saying? Look, you can see the cheekbones, though. You can see the cheekbones, yeah? Obviously, bruv. It's King Riches, we out.